In today's video, let me teach you how to log into your Spotify account on multiple devices. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Now, if you have confusion about whether you can log in to a same account on multiple devices, in this video, let's clear things out. Now, starting off, if you have a free account of Spotify, you can easily log into multiple accounts on multiple devices. The catch is you cannot play different songs at once. So, for example, if one song is playing on your phone, you cannot play a different song on your laptop using a same account. That is the downside of having a free account. But however, if you have a premium account of Spotify, you can play on up to 5 devices. So basically, you can play 5 different songs on 5 different devices only if you have a premium account. But in terms of logging in, you can always easily log in. I'm going to show you on a laptop on a web browser. On this tutorial, open.spotify.com, click on login, select the way that you have signed up to Spotify, type in your email address, click on continue, type in your password, and then click on login. And there you go. You've been now successfully logged in to your Spotify account even in multiple devices. Now here, as you can see, I have a free account for Spotify. If I play a particular song here, the same song will be played on my phone as well, and I cannot play 2 different songs on various devices. So I hope your doubts were cleared, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.